Want to control your phone's volume without pressing the physical buttons? In this video, I'll show you how to add volume up and volume down buttons directly to your Samsung navigation bar using Good Lock's NavStar. Let's get started.
First, open the Good Lock app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Galaxy Store, then install the NavStar module. Samsung officially supports navigation bar customization through NavStar on compatible Galaxy devices.